Hey guys, just got outside of school, walking home. It's pretty cold out, so I'm wearing my hat. It's green. Don't know if you can see it, but it's green. Just to let you guys know, since I haven't told you, I live in Chicago, Illinois. So it's cold, and windy, and cold. A bit more windy, but it's okay. I get used to it. I'm not that much of a cold guy. I'm usually always warm, so the coldness isn't very effective on me. Freaking sun, go away. Yes, buildings. Today wasn't that bad. It was kind of boring though. So sometimes I was just listening to my iPod, just thinking about stuff. Not school related stuff, but stuff all the same. So, everyone does it once in a while. It's not a sin. But yeah, I got the sniffles, so sorry if that's annoying you. It's cold, like I said. Hey, look, I'm selling candy. Candy. Ooh. I'm selling it for gym so I can get my grades up a bit. So, yeah. Ooh, I'm getting tired. Giving my arm up like this. I think I'd have enough stamina, but I don't. I'm about to be home actually. I don't live that far away from school, thank God. I live about maybe 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes I like to say. So it's not that far. Ooh. Well, I guess that's it for now. I will be putting up another video tonight. So if you guys watch it, whoever watches it, I know I'm new at this, but still, it's possible that someone could be watching it. So if you're watching it, I'll be having another one later tonight at some point. I guess that's it for now. Peace.